I am obsessed with the patchwork detail in these bishop sleeves. So you have orange, lilac, pink, marsala, cream, blue, so many different colors. And you can take all of those colors and put it in your accessories, your makeup, your pants, your shoes. I mean, girlfriend, you can pair so many things with a top that has an abundance of colors within itself. So that is super awesome. The color scheme in this top is rust. So the torso is a rust colored, it's rust colored in the torso, and then you have olive on the other shirt, which means the sleeves have that color scheme within them. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I love it so much. I think these tops are so comfortable and also very, very pretty to stand apart from your other tops, to be different. I love that so much. It is a rounded neckline. It's the same length in the back as it is in the front, but it is long enough in the back and in the front. If you want to wear it with leggings, girlfriend, go ahead. You can totally do it. You have little slits on the side, making it to where it's going to tuck in really easily and lay beautifully. So that is really awesome. And then it is 100% cotton, so it is very, very comfortable. It is true to size. I'm wearing a small, and I'm normally a small.